24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear teacher. I welcome you on behalf of the Snowman publishers to an online tutorial on section 1 of the chapter 5 of Science Grade 4, which covers the topic energy. The video will cover understanding energy, different sources of energy, transformation of energy. So let's get started with the teaching plan. Greet the students with a welcoming smile and say Assalamu alaikum. Ask them how are you all. Write the word energy on the board. The word energy is a common one, something that students have heard before in one context or the other. So make use of their memory. You may introduce the topic by asking simple questions such as, can you tell how you feel when you are very hungry? Then, how does it feel after having a meal? Do you feel energy in your body? Seek volunteers to answer your questions. Then, the volunteers include the following details in your discussion. Energy helps us move and do work. Like humans, things in our surroundings have energy. Energy in different things makes them move and work. Use this discussion to identify how the fan above their heads is working. Explain that, just like humans, everything else also works with some kind of energy. The fan works with electrical energy. Write the words, sources of energy, on the board. Write down the names of different sources such as sun, wind, running water, coal, gas, and oil, and bullets. Ask the students, which of these sources have they seen or used, and what for? Have they seen some kind of work being done with these? Do they think that work needs energy to be carried out? Help the students answer and build on the answer to teach them that each of these objects carries energy which is used to do different kinds of work. Ask the students, how does the sun help us? Help them to answer and identify different uses of solar energy. Explain that energy from the sun is available in the form of heat and light. It can be converted into electricity with solar panels. This change of energy from one form to another is called energy transformation. Seek volunteers who have solar panels at home, if any, and ask them about it. As a challenge, ask them how the energy from the sun helps the plants in growth. Students have learned the basics of photosynthesis in earlier grades. Give them hints and help them answer. To explain the energy of moving water, ask the students about the power of water in a flood. Ask questions like, what does the moving water do to houses, cars, and trees? Is it stronger than big vehicles and heavy stones? Do you think moving water has a lot of energy? Explain that humans use the energy of moving water to run turbines and make electricity. Wind also has energy and can move things. It can be used to sail boats or run wind turbines. Hence, wind energy is transformed into electrical and mechanical energy. As an activity, tell the students to blow on the pages of their textbook. When they do, it will cause movement. Describe how they have used wind energy to move the pages without touching them. Light is a unique form of energy that helps to see things. Movement of white light cannot be seen. However, a laser makes it visible, which shows that light travels in straight lines. For better understanding, show a laser in the class if possible. Heat energy helps us cook and stay warm. Sun is the biggest source of both heat and light energy. Plants transform heat and light energy to make their food. Coal, gas, and oil are burnt to extract the energy. Therefore, they are known as fossil fuels. When they are burnt, the energy is transformed into heat and light, which make vehicles move. For example, a steam engine. For reinforcement, you may ask challenging questions such as what kind of energy makes a hot air balloon move? What if energy transformation takes place in the flight of a hot air balloon? Conclude the lesson by stating that we must save and conserve energy sources so that there are enough for all. Since all the energy sources are not unlimited like the sun, you may ask them to sort the sources as limited or unlimited. Discuss with them the techniques of saving water, electricity, and fuel with them. For homework, you can ask the students to list one example of each source of energy from inside or around their home. Thank you, Honorable Teacher, for your listening. Allah Hafiz.